Lubricants have a vital role to play in keeping the world's machinery moving. But the need for more efficient mobility and more intelligent industry is growing daily. And so too are the demands placed on lubrication. Yet, in line with Shell's ambition to become a net zero emissions energy business by 2050 or sooner, growth must be kept sustainable. The delivery of improved performance must be balanced with lower emissions, fewer natural resources, and less waste. To ensure this, we must do two things. First, avoid emissions wherever possible by finding efficiencies in our design, production, and logistical processes. Second, help customers to manage their own sustainability needs, not just by providing more sustainable products, but by offering technical services and trusted counsel to ensure their operations are set up for success. We are the biggest supplier of lubricants in the world, selling approximately 5 billion liters of finished lubricants. Here are just some of the results of our efforts to change the way we operate in Europe. Since 2016, Shell has reduced the carbon intensity of its lubricants manufacturing by over 30%, and over 50% of the electricity used in our lubricants blending plant now comes from renewable sources. 7 out of 9 of our plants use 100% sustainably sourced electricity by the way of our own installed renewable power, green electricity contracts, and renewable energy certificates. We have reduced our packaging carbon footprint by 4% compared to 2016 and aiming to embed a minimum of 40% post-consumer resin to our entire bottle portfolio by 2021. But while measures to avoid and reduce emissions are the best way to tackle emissions in the long term, we know we need to move quickly on this. And so, as we continue to scale up these measures, we are also committed to a third step: offsetting the remaining emissions of our premium products through Shell's nature-based solutions. And that is why we are here today. It gives me great pleasure to announce that Shell will offer its customers in Europe a portfolio of carbon-neutral lubricants covering passenger car motor oil, heavy-duty diesel engine oil, and our selective industrial portfolios. For motorists and original equipment manufacturers, that is a lower carbon alternatives for their mobility needs. For industrial customers, it is the desire to extend the life of the machinery while reducing their overall net carbon footprint. Our portfolio of products will include Shell Helix Ultra for passenger car drivers, Shell Rimula R6 and Ultra for heavy-duty engine oil applications, our wide range of premium industry lubricants and greases used in the wind, manufacturing, and power sector. It will also include our eco-label products like Shell Naturel and selective Shell Gaddis greases product range for industrial applications. We aim to offset the annual emissions of more than 61 million liters of advanced synthetic lubricants across Europe, compensating for around 280,000 tons of CO2 emissions per year. That's equivalent of taking 130,000 cars off the road for 1 year. The initiative is the most ambitious and substantial of its kind in the lubricants industry. It marks a key moment in our history as we help lead the industry towards a more sustainable future.